Welcome to our JSON JavaScript course, which is perfect for beginners to learn more about JavaScript JSON really quickly. Learn how JSON works and how you can use JSON data using JavaScript in order to manipulate the content within your web applications and make use of that content within those applications. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn JSON quickly in a fast-paced course teaching you all the core fundamentals of JSON and how to apply JSON data in web applications. Use JavaScript to bring JSON formatted data into your web pages to easily load content and make things happen within your web applications. This course is taught by an instructor with over 20 years of web development experience, ready to help you learn and answer any questions you may have about JSON. You'll be amazed at how easy it is and how much you can do with just a few lines of code. Join now and start learning how you too can connect to JSON and make use of JSON within your web applications.